Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Collar Crypto. We're going to take a quick look at Archangel token price, Scratch token price, got some updates on Guardian token pre-sale, and see if we got any news. And it looks like there's a whole bunch of news out there in the crypto world, so let's just dive right in. So Guardian token, if you go to the Telegram channel for Guardian token announcement, they have round 3 pre-sale, which started yesterday, which is the 4th. Was it this morning? Man, I don't even know what day it is. Dang, today was a long day, right? Anyway, it started this morning at 7 a.m. It's round 3. It's the leftover from round 2, and they open it up to people who didn't get to participate in round 1 because it sold out in like 4 hours and like 15 minutes or something like that. Round 2 didn't completely sell out because I think a lot of people were signed up for round 1 and didn't sign up for round 2. Their target, which is the leftover amount, which is $100,111, and it's 1.6 of the total token supply for Guardian, and that's going on right now. And let's look at the wallet that they're receiving the money in. So this is the wallet right here. There's a link on the Telegram channel, but this is the wallet for the USDC donations for the pre-sale. They're already at $84,392, so there's only like $16,000 left to be until the pre-sale's over. And if it doesn't sell out, it'll be open for another day and a half. It closes, I think, 7 p.m. on the 6th. 7 a.m. on the 6th East Coast time. Oh, if you look here, there's a couple ETH transactions. There was 2 wallets that sent ETH to this wallet, and they refunded them. I looked at one wallet, and they actually swapped it back to USDC, or swapped it to USDC and sent it back to the wallet. So we jump into the crypto markets. Look at the crypto fear and greed index. Today is 53. Yesterday was 52, which is both neutral. Last week, 56 greed. Last month, 20 extreme fear. I don't know, man. It just seems fearful. I don't know. You look at all these people, prices going up, but I don't know. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. Jumping into coin market cap, the total market cap of all of crypto, $2,158 billion, and it is up 0.72% today. If we look at Bitcoin price, $46,616. It's up 1.5% today. It's down 2% in the last week. Ethereum price, $3,517. Now it's $3,520. It's up 1% today, and it's up 4% on the week. And it's way above 3,000. That's positive. Shiba Inu token is number 15. It's 402662 is the price. It's up, we just went up a little bit. It's up 1% on the day. It's down 2 on the week. Number 29, Algorand coin. The price is at 87.93 cents. It's down 3.5% on the day, and it's down 5% on the week. If we scroll through the top 100, it looks like a mixed bag. I'd say most of the top 20 tokens and coins are up for the day and the week. Some that aren't, but kind of a mixed bag, mostly up. So if we look at the Scratch token price, and this is the 4-hour chart, and this is since the 23rd of March, so that's, a week and a half ago, something like that. Anyway, price is down 1.9% on the day. It's at 9/01489. Looks like it went up a little bit yesterday, but it's just floating around this little level right here. Let's just zoom in. You get a little bit more movement, it looks like, right there, but I'm bullish on this project. If we jump into Archangel token chart, current price is 9/01161. It's up almost 11% on the day. It's a pretty good sized green candle there. That's impressive. All right, if we take a closer look at the Archangel chart, these lines are crazy, right? So that's the low over here. It bounced off the low. It's been bouncing off the low. It crossed it, went above the low, crossed it again yesterday, or that was early this morning at midnight. Bounced right above it, and then it shot up a little bit higher, So it's weird to see how it works out with the support lines and the resistance lines. And there's a million other crazy things on technical analysis that I can't even wrap my brain around. But this is just the basics. This is just almost this is a slightly upward trending support line, but we'll see how this plays out. Price is super low right now, honestly. Super low. Okay, so if we look at the wallet holder count for Archangel on Ethereum in the last 2 days is even. On Binance Smart Chain, it's even. And on Phantom, it went up by 38 today. I think there's like some shenanigans going on over there. I'm going to start just on this chart, just tracking only the Ethereum wallets. It's a little bit harder just to send, 1 million tokens to 100 different wallets on Ethereum because it costs so much gas. It just keeps you a little bit more honest. So I'm not going to, I'll write down the Phantom and the Binance Smart Chain wallets but on the main chart over here, or on the main spreadsheet where I'm tracking the wallet holders and the price and everything, I'm just gonna keep it for Ethereum. All right, and all that being said, for the day change, I have the 2-day change, because I didn't do one yesterday, is 9.2% up. Week change is down 12%. Price, like I said, 901161. Total market cap, just over 6 million. Fully diluted market cap, 11.6 million. Today's volume, 26,600. And the amount of tokens sent to the Burn wallet in the last 2 days was 8.7 trillion tokens. That's a lot of tokens. When the price goes down, I learned this from Side Stacker. Actually, he changed his name on YouTube to Crypto Stacker channel. Dean, he's a squared away dude. That's pretty much where I got this spreadsheet. But he did a really good job of explaining, you know, when the price goes down but volume goes up, the amount of tokens sent to the Burn wallet, it goes up a lot. And reflections, it goes up a lot. So, and this isn't even high volume. This is just $26,000 in volume, right? That's not a lot. What happens when it's $260,000 of volume in a day? That's going to be a lot of tokens. And if the price is this low, man, the tokens are just going to be burnt up. It's going to be nuts. Reflections are going to go up off the chart. Okay, we're going to take a look at our reflections for this wallet. We started with 1 trillion tokens. Half of the tokens are in the staking pool. The other half are just in the wallet receiving reflections. And reflections in the last 2 days, 88 million reflections. And the increase in the staking pool for Archangel in the last 2 days is 207 million tokens. That brings the total reflections and rewards for this wallet to 10,360,000,000 tokens. That's a lot of tokens, right? And okay, cool. I just found an error in my spreadsheet. Well, you know, that happens because I'm the best at math. Anyway, I was tracking the wrong number here. I was adding it wrong. I was adding this plus this when I should have been adding this plus the total staking pool and the amount that I initially staked. Anyway, this is a bigger number that increases this volume, or I mean this value right here, which is better. Doesn't change the total reflections and rewards. Like I said, is 10,359,000,000, which is a lot of tokens, but at today's value, or at today's token price, the value of those reflections and rewards is $1.20. That's not a lot at all. No worries. Total value of all the tokens is $117.32. If we look at the amount of token rewards from the staking pool compared to the reflections, I sent half to the staking pool and the other half are just in the wallet getting reflections. 7.5 billion tokens for staking rewards so far, and that right now is 1.5% of what I sent to the staking pool. So I know this isn't a lot of money, but if you had, say, 10 trillion or 100 trillion tokens, that could be a lot more money, right? You would just move this decimal. 10 trillion, it would be $12. 100 trillion, then you would have received $120 would be the value of your staking pool rewards. I received so far in staking pool rewards 1.5% of what I staked, and there's still about 20 days left on the staking pool. Cool, right? And the total right here, the total percent before the reflections and rewards so far, which has been 98 days, the reflections and rewards I've received have equaled just over 1% of my initial token investment. So started with 1 trillion, just over 1 trillion. Actually, I started with 1,160,000,000 tokens. And right now I have 1,010 billion tokens. So that's cool, right? Okay, let's take a quick look at some news. You know how the news goes, but right here, Cointelegraph, profit-taking and Bitcoin consolidation give bears an opportunity to take control. Here's a contradicting article to that one. From News BTC, Bitcoin exchange outflows suggest rally may only be starting. Well, who's right? I don't know. That's the crazy thing about markets, especially crypto. Uh-oh, from Crypto Briefing, BitMEX fires a quarter of its workforce. Dang, that's too bad. From Decrypt, Gary Gensler wants SEC and CFTC to regulate crypto exchanges together. Security and Exchange Commission and what is that? Commodities Futures Trading Commission, I guess? I don't know. Interesting. This is an interesting one from Bitcoinist, just the headline, okay? The year of crypto. Almost 50% of investors got started in 2021. Wow. Coinbase unveiled that it will be significantly expanding its presence in India, growing both its employees and investments in that country. That's interesting to know, too. Bitcoin exchange outflow volume nears 100,000 Bitcoin per month. That's a lot of Bitcoin. The ultimate bullish signal, question mark? Possibly. This is from the Daily Hodl, and it talks about a guy who's on YouTube that I watch. He's a pretty smart guy. He's a technical analysis, but the headline is this: Bitcoin about to break all-time highs quicker than traders think, says analyst Nicholas Merton. Here's why. Let's read the article. Crypto analyst and Data Dash host Nicholas Merton says Bitcoin will hit new all-time highs sooner than most traders think. In a new Data Dash YouTube update, that was, I think, from this morning, which is the 4th, Merton tells his 514,000 subscribers that Bitcoin will retest $65,000 much faster than most anticipate, with underlying with underlying fundamental developments fueling the move. And actually goes into really good detail. Man, strong technical analysis guy. Dude's pretty laid back, he sounds like, but yeah, dude's got over 500,000 subs on his YouTube channel. I think I've been following him for probably a couple months now. Just, I don't know, it popped in my feed and I just started following him because he's got a lot of good information. Data Dash on YouTube, and his name is Nicholas Merton, if you want to check it out. Oh, here's one from Crypto Globe. Snoop Dogg to issue unreleased music as NFTs on Cardano blockchain. That's interesting. Here's another one from Crypto Briefing. Intel has unveiled a new Bitcoin mining chip. Man, Intel wants to get into the mining business. Interesting. So this is on Twitter. It's also on Archangel's token. It's also on the Archangel's main Telegram channel. There's a couple guys from the Archangel community. They're going to start a kind of a podcast kind of thing on Telegram. Introducing Arcanomics is what they call it, hosted by Crispy and Just a Crypto Guy. Join us on Telegram on April 7th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. In this educational series, we will discuss everything Arca and anything else the community wants to. Episode 1 in Archangel main Telegram channel. So hopefully this will kick off and be a good thing. They announced it on the Arca Cafe on YouTube last night. That's every Sunday at 9 p.m. It's a good place where the community talks about stuff. And there's a lot of announcements and giveaways usually on that. But they're just going to talk about crypto things and Arca, and it's a good place to hang out and learn stuff. So let's go check it out on Thursday, okay? That's it for Archangel updates, Guardian updates, Scratch Engine updates, and crypto news. Thanks for tuning into the channel. I truly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time.
I feel like I need a stiff drink after that conversation.